Hey everyone, and welcome to Tyson Discovery Center. My name is Chef Sergio Herrera, an executive chef for Tyson Food Service Culinary. And today, we're here to talk about the spicy chicken sandwich, evolution, as well as menu insights and inspiration that you could use in today's menu. Are you seeing any other type of, day parts in the menu or anything like that? Lunch, dinner, breakfast, what are we talking about there?
No, this for sure can tie into breakfast. This is something that it can be sweet and savory. So, now we're taking our spicy chicken and are we going biscuit? We're going on a waffle. I definitely think as an operator, it's like lunch is easy to get to, but everybody struggles with that breakfast day part. And it's great when you've got an ingredient that's flexible enough that okay, I can put an egg on it. I could go hot honey biscuit, spicy chicken sandwich, that kind of thing.
Chicken biscuit, honey, perfect for at least for my opinion, for sure. So let's talk about menu inspiration. What are we seeing, or what could you do as an operator to get in these menus?
So I think as an operator, one of the biggest barriers to making menu changes is just being busy. You're already running one, if not multiple, businesses, and so adding a menu item sometimes can seem like a daunting task. And you want to do that. You want to provide something that's going to kind of, for lack of a better term, spice it up for the customer when they come in. Things that are going to drive foot traffic. I always love to go back to my same, burger joint that's got what I want. But at the same time, sometimes when I'm going in, I'm looking for something different as a customer. And I think, to bring in new customers, you've got to start offering, different flavors. And I think when you take that spicy chicken sandwich, there's a lot of different directions you can go with those flavors and really start to appeal to more and more people to drive that foot traffic.
Now, are there any final thoughts?
Yeah, I think as an operator, you're always kind of trying to balance, how busy you are, how do I maintain the customer base I have? How do I build new customer base? And you have to listen to your customer, or you have to listen to what people are asking for. And right now, this is a flavor profile that people are looking for. They're looking for spicy. So you're gonna satisfy that customer that's long-standing, and you're gonna hopefully bring in that new customer as well.
That's awesome. That's awesome. You heard it here from Executive Chef Brooks Cameron right here, guys. So I want to thank everybody for listening, of course, and keep on cooking.